Now that you've seen a little of what BirdBlocks has to offer, let's try building a few basic programs. First, we'll take a look at the Motor Mover project featured on the Hummingbird Kit website. For this program, you will need your Hummingbird Duo board, your Hummingbird BLE adapter, your iPad, and a servo from your kit. When setting up your board, plug your servo into servo port 1. Make sure your BLE adapter is connected to your board, and finally, attach the external power cable as a power source for your board. Turning to the programming side, open up BirdBlocks and make sure your board is connected. Now tap and open the control category. Side note, when using BirdBlocks, if the categories and blocks are difficult for you to tap or see, you can use the zoom effect to make the buttons larger. For this project, we're going to want it to start when we tap the green flag at the top of the screen. From the control category, drag a When Flag Tapped block into the scripts area. Just below that, attach a forever loop. This will allow us to repeatedly change the servo's position. We want the servo to move only if the user shakes the iPad, so place an if block inside the forever loop. Now select the iPad category and pull a device shaken block into the if block. With this, when the user shakes the device, the program will run the blocks inside the if block. Now select the Hummingbird menu and place a Hummingbird servo block inside the if block. Set the servo to move to 90 degrees when the user shakes the iPad. After a second, we should have the servo return to 0. To do so, pull a wait block from the control category and place it here. After that, add an additional servo block with a value of 0. The program is now ready for a test. Tap the green flag, then when you shake the iPad, the servo should move to 90 degrees and then back to 0. Once a program is created, you can save it for later use and corrections. You also have the option to export your programs and send them to a friend, but we will cover that in a later video. To save your program, tap on the File icon and select Save As. Name your program and then tap OK. To load a project, tap the File menu icon and then select Open. Tap on the name of the file that you wish to open. Once that's done, your program should appear again in the scripts area. And with that, you have created, saved, and loaded your first program. In the next video for this series, we'll take a look at a more complex program.